Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the October Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let's see today's problem is rotate list. Given a linked list, rotate the list to the right by k places where k is not named. So I'm not gonna lie, linked lists are usually my weak points because I don't really use them in anything. So let's think it through. But I think right now we're given the head or the root or whatever, and we just have to find what is k space head. Or well, first we have to find the length, and then we have to find n minus k to find the new head, and then make the tail equal to the head, something like that. And I think that's going to be my intuition, and then there may be trick cases with respect to like I don't know, one node or no nodes and stuff like that. In this case, k is greater than the length of the thing. So yeah, let's start first by getting the n. N is equal to 0. Current node is equal to head, while current node is not none. Current node is equal to current node dot next, and then this n increment, right? So now we find n. That should be okay. Yeah, right? And then now we want to mod k by n uh, because if we do it more than n times, it's just going to be, like it's going to loop, right? So I think this one is straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions. And then next, as we say, because rotating it once means that we need to find the node that is n minus 1 to the n and so forth, right? So then now we have to find the node is equal to head. So then we have 4 2 in range of head minus k. Um, yeah, is that right? I'm just trying to think whether that is. I think that should be okay unless k is equal to 0 or something. Um, hmm. I think if k is equal to 0, then we just go to the none, which is a little bit weird. So maybe we'll have to check with that one. If k is equal to 0, in this case it is. Well, in this case, if it's whether it's 0, it doesn't matter whether it's before modding or post modding because it'll be the same. Um, but that's not true, right? Now, if k mod n is equal to 0, then we just return head because then we don't have to change anything. Otherwise, we could do this thing, and then we have to get the node is equal to current node next. I think at this point, to be honest, I want to make sure that I don't have off by ones because that's something that I would worry about. And they don't even have something that could copy and paste. That's actually a little bit annoying for the second one anyway. So with the 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. I think 1, yeah, 0, 1, 2. I think it's the same thing, right? Okay. So yeah, so this gets us to the right node that we could use as the head node. So now, yeah, the new head node is equal to current node, and then now we go to the end of it, which is while current node dot next is not none, current node is equal to current node dot next, right? So then this terminates when current node dot next is none. So now we get to the end of this new list, and then we set current node dot next is none. Current node dot next is equal to new head node, right? Is that right? It is, but now we have to check the new head. We have to check the parent of the new head node to set it to none, right? And I'm just trying to think about which is the best way to do it. Maybe I did previous node is none. Previous node is equal to node. Right? And then now we can just say previous node dot next is equal to none. I think this may be good enough. Let's give it a spin just to see. Ooh, fun cycles. That's not good. So we probably did not do this well. So this is when is the end? No, this cannot be end. This does at least one. So this does at least one node. Hmm. Good. Good. No. Let's do new head node. That should be 4 and 5. We did the 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3. But oops. We might have an off by one on one of the things. I said this is something that I'm be good about, so yeah. Okay. So, oh, this is, I got this too long. This should be, you go to not the new head node, but the actual, the regular head node, the actual beginning, right? Oh no, so that was just a typo. Okay, so that looks good. Let's try a couple more. Because it's easy to write these tests. So yeah, let's see. That looks good, so let's give it a submit. Um, Oof, that was the one that I was worried about. I thought I checked it. Huh, no, I checked for the one note and not the 0 note. Oops. I thought I did, to be honest, but I think this would be. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, fine. Uh, um, oopsie. Yeah. Now we submit again. So yeah, the big thing about that, I thought that this would take care of it, but I wasn't thinking exactly. Well, I was thinking only the K, but not the N. So yeah, that happened. Yeah, it's accepted. So what is the complexity of this algorithm? It does take a couple of passes, but it is linear because we look at each node at most once or over one time at most, or like 3 times at most, I guess. Uh, yeah, and in terms of space, we only use pointers, so it's gonna be over one space. Uh, that's all I have. I mean, you could probably do it in a smarter way. Um, with one pass, but it'll probably take more space or just a lot more bookkeeping. So it's for me, it's not worth the complexity, but maybe try thinking about it as an upselling technique. But yeah, but this comes up a bit for interviews. I haven't seen like this in a while, but yeah, I'm not gonna see this that much during competitive programming. At least not directly like this. So yeah, okay, that's all I have for this problem. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.